Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Depending on your time. Depending on when you will watch this video. How are we doing today? Very authentic man to the core. Try. May God preserve your life for us. May you find whatever it is that you are looking for. May it be given to you. May you live longer, even that we are praying for you, even more. May you soar. May your strength be renewed like the eagles. My leader, we love you so much and we miss you. Chineke kereligwe kelowa. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of your parents, may they preserve your life. May they not allow any harm to come near you. It's just a quick one. It's a quick one. Because wherever you are, wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a happy birthday. All the people born on September are very intelligent. They are very brilliant people. If you doubt me, don't doubt me or go and doubt with your keyboard. I have noticed it that the people born on September are very smart people. They are smart people, believe it or not. Yeah. Oh, Festus, Mononoko. Thank you for joining. Godwin Bright, thank you for joining. I see ya. ENC Ugeche. I see ya. Jedediah Johnson. Welcome. Ahamadi Kendibo. Onyisi. Happy birthday, sir. You will not die. You will live to see Biafra actualize. You will live to witness the goodness of God in the land of the living. No matter how hard the Janjaweed try, no matter how hard the enemy try, well, we will always experience ups and downs, but at the end, God will always prove himself a living God. Chinedu P. Mbagwe. Thank you for joining. Thank you, everybody. Those I have seen your name, those I'm not seeing your name. Thank you. How are we doing today? I'm not it's weekend here. I don't know. How is everybody doing? Thank you for joining. Share the video if you can. Otherwise, no problem. Obu Gochuku, welcome. Thank you for joining. Hamadike One, long life and prosperity. Thank you. Wadi Ichimobi, thank you for joining. I see ya. Hamadike Ndibo, wherever you are, may the God of heaven and earth preserve your life. You are not dying anytime soon, oh. Hey. Your type is rare. The only man that is brave enough to confront what is pursuing him, to confront what is confronting him. Only see igadi kechi ekene kwa mgi ebe na re chuku buchitegi chineke kusunire nke ndị achebegi. Hi, Genius Chukudum, thank you for joining. Chidi, thank you. Emmanuel Okeke, I see ya. Welcome. Wish Mazi Nnamdi, can you use this picture on your profiles? Use it on your walls. The world is watching. If you think the world they are not seeing, they are seeing. Do not mind them. They pretend to not see. They pretend to not hear. Na lie, they see. Chigozie Bartholomew, thank you for joining. Share the video if you can, otherwise no problem. Ifeanyi Jude, thank you for joining. Okay, Madonna Ali, okay, Osisi Kobo. Ben Ego, thank you for joining, sir. I see you all. Bro Adi Bobina, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. I see ya. Yeah, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, use him on your profile. The only man that believes that we only live and die once. No, Buchi Obaji, thank you for joining, sir. This man is brave. I haven't seen his bravery. I got me we on me ho ha. The man when not the fear face, you know the fear death at all. If we die, make we die. If we perish, make we perish. Only the man he believe in. Because anybody that is living here alive, all living so must taste death. And that guy is the only person, is one of the people that know. It's one of the people that understand this word, that this life na gafe. And anything in a mego, anything in a making when you are in the position to do it. That's when the only man that believe that this life is a phase. Any phase you gafe, you make what you are supposed to do. Oga gafe, ndoza bianoche, oge gerumba na ga na echetezia ha anyi. Gerald Emirate, is that great? I'm sorry for butchering your name, but thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, sir. Celestine Odo, thank you for joining. Or Odo or Odo, I don't know. Thank you for joining. I appreciate you all. I see you all. I see you all. I see you all. No, it's not my birthday. It's Ahamadi Kendibo. Okay, Dede. Onyamuma nkanye. Our own daddy G.O. Now in birthday will not be my own. But I have a birthday this month though, on the 29th. But it is Ahamadike's birthday today. Our own chairman. Our own daddy G.O. General Overseer and Radio Biafra Ahamadike Kobo. Okay, I also have a quick announcement to make. Emeka, happy birthday, our high chief. Our high chief Kanye. Okay, wani. The mother has said I worship you. Yeah, can I worship you? When you worship your own pastor and call him daddy and mommy, even on why not? Why can't you worship our own savior? Okay, I have a quick announcement now. I think I will jump into it. Matt and Jocko, thank you for joining, Ma. I see ya. Hi, how are you? Thank you. No, I'm not cold. I'm good. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I'm talking to my colleague. He's. I'll check it out. Yeah. Yeah. So our own Jesus Christ, our Black Jesus. Now him be our Black Jesus. So, the man where Sabi. That guy too Sabi. So what I am about to say may not go well with everyone. It may not go well with everyone. But it is what it is. I will say it anyways. I know it may not go well with you. I know it may not go well with some of you. But I am going to say it. I will say it. Wetadike kegbuo. Ubochi hi kemere achowadike. Alfred S. Okay. Thank you for joining, sir. I see you. Computer brain aburo bere he. Ubochi hi kemere achowadike. Nkirinka nkata anyị nọ n'akụkụ usekwu gị ije ekpo aja. Ema uru ọbara. Mana ụbọchị ọbụla itufuru nkirinka nkata ga-amatazi uru ọbara. There is a lot of background work going on. Okomado Mario Teddy, thank you for joining, sir. Joe Freezy, thank you for joining. Share the video if you can, otherwise no problem. There is a lot of background work going on. Everything is not said online. Everything is not to be said online because the internet never forgets. You are not allowed to come onto this page. Chukwi, thank you for joining. You are not allowed to come into this page to insult the DOS. You are not allowed to come into this page to insult Mazi Simon Eba Eda. And that is vice versa. You are not allowed to come here to insult any of them. Chinonye Ezala, thank you for joining, says. You are not allowed to come here to insult any of them. If you want to do that, you are allowed to insult them. You are allowed to vent your anger. But you have to create a page and do that on your wall. You can't come here to insult the DOS. Some of you don't even watch us. You prefer to watch drama. Some of you prefer to watch gossip. Some of you prefer to watch basbos. Oh, asina, Mazi Simon Ebandios. That is what some of you want to watch. We that are genuinely creating awareness for Biafra restoration, you don't even watch us. Tina Oliver Frank, thank you for joining, sis. I can't pronounce the other name. Thank you for joining. You don't even give us view. You only come here to watch when you have an argument to make. Do you understand? The last time we posted of not being paid, and some people were coming under the post to say, do not deceive us, we know you are being paid. What is it with you people are mourning this COG in the Ojo? What is it? You think everything is about money? You think everything is about money? We are not being paid, for your information. We don't make a dime for creating awareness for Biafra restoration. We are doing it because we know that the world is watching, even though they pretend to not watch, they are watching. That is why we keep on doing it. Even when we are tired, even when we don't feel like doing it, we keep doing it. We have decent jobs. We don't pay our bills from all this online stuff. Obakano, thank you, sir, for joining. Obina Sanya John, thank you for joining. Prince Solomon, I see ya. Christian Igwe, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I hope you are too. If you think we make billions from this, please create a page, create a channel, and start promoting Biafra-related things and see how much you're going to make. If you think we make billions, create a page. Start posting Biafra-related things, not gossip, not basbos. Start genuinely promoting Biafra things. Let's see how many mansions you are going to build from the money you are making. Eh? This course I offer, even though for the benefit of our children, born and unborn. Why is Nigeria like this? Sometimes the worst thing you can do is to unfollow us. No problem. Soldier come, soldier go. Barracks remain. And you are doing yourself more harm than good by unfollowing. Because the more you follow, the more you support, the more the world is seeing what is going on, the more the world is knowing about Biafra. The more you unfollow, the more the visibility becomes low. The world will not see. But the more you follow and promote and share, the more the world is seeing that, oh, these people are serious, so they are not backing out anytime. The people will the Mondays, Tuesdays, Fridays sit at home. If you make this thing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one in DSS custody. He might be seeing the things we are not seeing. He might be hearing what we are not hearing. You are mad that the DOS suspended the sit at home. But they were the first people that initiated it in the first time. They were the first people that initiated this sit at home. And they might have their reasons for suspending it. The first time they suspended it, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent a message that they should suspend it. And the DOS said no, that people are attacking them, that they will not suspend it. The second time, through the lawyer, the DOS said they will not suspend it. Then the third time, through his younger brother, Emmanuel. Now the DOS have no choice than to suspend the sit at home. Because Nnamdi Kanu is a very brilliant man. Even though you think he's in the DSS dungeon and he might not be thinking properly, it's a no, he is. You don't come online. Okay, you that is attacking the DOS, what are you doing in your own capacity to see that Mazi is released? What are you doing in your own capacity to see that Biafra is restored in our time? People. No, you think things both ways. You think icheba ge cheba. Ina ho ibe onye obana si na abata. Okay, that person onye ahụ na-abịa eme live 3 times in a day online. Onye ahụ na-abịa live 3 times, 4 times in a day. Kedu time o nwere ji echiche? What time does he have to think about what is going on? What time does that person have to brainstorm new ideas? If you sit back, get brainstorm, you get next. You know, it's all about coming life, talking. Anybody, everybody, like if you take a listen to Radio Biafra, you will see and hear sense in what they are saying. Now listen. Even on Radio Biafra and Mazi Jonathan, his voice is like thunder. It sounds more like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's voice. I was attacking them before too, but I took my time and listened to them. I saw where they are coming from. They are humans too. They probably have families too. They probably have jobs they are doing too. It is not easy for anyone. When we heard this news of the abduction of our leader, now we received the shock of our lives. Everybody receive the shock of their lives. Even including the DOS. They shocked. Amazing now to brainstorm new ideas, brilliant ones, how to go about it. On the internet, make drama. A lot of people are doing IPOB stuff, but there's not a lot of people that are genuine. A lot of people are posting about IPOB. A lot of people are posting about Biafra and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But it is not everybody that is genuine. Sometimes you see, he don't boast, oh, they are about to eject Nnamdi Kanu. Ndabundi nacho iponya aja na gare ihe na-eme. Ndabundi nacho viewers, ndabundi nacho viewers, ndabundi nacho followers. Do not pay attention to them. You must have a discerning spirit, especially in this period, to know who is real and who is genuine. And you as an adult, you have to. It is very, very important. To decode when somebody is saying what goes well with you. I need them with his conscience. I need them with the Spirit of God in us. Only over with the Spirit of God in me. Hapokwa na some people and they pay attention to their own. Your conscience is the Spirit of God in you. Only over with the Spirit of God in me. But some people do not pay attention to theirs. Oh, yeah, in here diche. Oh, so in here diche. Come so easy. I see ya. Welcome. Chikandukwe, thank you for joining. I see ya. Thank you for that birthday wish for our leader. You don't give people privilege to come and start insulting the DOS. Because when they start insulting the DOS, they can do DOS and Jennifer, thank you for joining. Okay, Aguku, thank you for joining, sir. Welcome. Oh, this is place your priority. Can the mother get see treat everybody are not DOS. Try. People are always here now. We are not playing. Biafra restoration. People have died. Now the mother one at this struggle, and we are not backing out until Biafra is restored. The mother a lot of us have lost family members. So stop attacking the DOS. Stop attacking Simon Ekpa. Listen to both people and make your conclusion. You can do it. Ohaneze, I don't know about those Ohaneze. Nah, I don't know about them. Did you hear me mention them? No, I did not. So I don't know them, so I did not mention them. Isi na obroge na shoe DOS nige make area. Obroge when he game me. Onye si ya buru ya no game nka me nkozo. Ya obroge when he game. No wayo ke mata nke bu nke. No wayo no do ki weta discernment. A lot of background work is going on. Mazi Chika Idoziem. I noticed that he do not talk too much. He do not talk too much. You know, people get mad when you reciprocate with the same energy they gave you. They get mad. And it drives them crazy when they don't know what you are up to. It drives you don't come online to say everything. Now, what do you risk you? On a camera like that. You be online, you talk, you reveal everything to people. And when you get people know how to get you. They already know your secret. But when you come online, when you do your things coded, coded. You know make coded, you know make coded. You don't want to hear your background. Now I know background thing. And when you gonna hit you up to until result a chawa. Do not tell people what you're up to. Show them your result. When they don't know what you're up to, and then Nnamdi Kanu was a person like that. When he created ESN, nobody have an idea. When ESN came, only open an 80. So bikunu. Unya barena DOS, bikunu. Unya barekwala DOS, not on this page. Biko Ghana create a page barewhere. Each one nine make ego. No, I will bloggers. I have bloggers. I have one day post. How'd you na YouTube? How'd you na Facebook? Hey, don't boast so you don't happen no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. Come and hear. Oh, that's rekahabo. Biko, I may come back here today. I may not. Please, in your various walls, your various handles, wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu happy birthday. The world is watching.